What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at file permissions in Linux system. Now let's see how to see that. To look at that, first we have to go to terminal, and terminal, if you type ls -l, you're gonna see all the file details. Here we have rwr. Let's see what's that mean. Let's put dash rwx rw dash r dash dash. Here you can see there are three things. R is basically read, and W is write, X is execute. Now the first thing is allowed for the owner, what is the owner of the computer can do, and the second thing is allowed for the group, and the third thing is allowed for the everyone else. Okay, now if you want to allow permission, now let's write this one in a file. Let's open this file, Apple. Here I'm going to type all the possibilities we can do. Okay, here U stand for user. If it allow for the user, we have to type user, and if you want to make this one allow for the group, we have to type G for group. And if you want to make other people to allow for the other people, we have to type O, other people. Other people are basically from the outside world, Okay, now let's see how we can allow the access. Now let's look at some files. Here I have a file called a.wrap, and that's user can read and write, and then the group can read only, but the other people also can just read. But let's see how we can allow other people to write also. Okay, so to do that, I go to the next one. To allow this one to the other people, here what we have to do is we have to type chmod. Excuse me. Okay, chmod, and I want to allow other people to write, so O is other people and plus W is to write, and I want to allow this one to this file a.wrap. Here you can see other people only read alone, but I want to change it to write also, so it should appear RW when we do this again. OW a.wrap, and enter. Let's see the directory details to find the ls-l. Now let's look at the a.wrap. You can see rw -r, actually dash r dash dash rw. Now we have allowed to write also for the other people. Excuse me. Now let's see how to remove that one, how to remove the access again. To remove the access, just instead of this O plus W, just put O minus W. O minus W, so you taken away the access. A.wrap, and when you see the directory detail again, you will see a.wrap. We don't have the allowed to write for the other people. And that's all about allowing access to the file permissions for the user, group, and the other people. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to learn more on Linux system, there are a bunch of videos are coming up. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.